Hello, this is day 7 of starting an AI web design agency from zero, where I record the progress, the task, I answer any questions if there's any, and I keep accountability each day. And I also start with no clients, no portfolio, and no offer. So the first thing I did was to fix some of the 5 design concepts I had done the previous day, all in Relium. There were minor changes like logos, missing the phone number, missing a specific section. I polished the Loom video script, going back and forth with ChatGPT, finding better versions and I filmed 5 looms, um, which had three parts each. It was an audit, an example of a good website design in their niche, and a custom design for them implementing some changes, and all focused on showing their pain points and how they were losing jobs due to their bad online presence. And I sent those 5 looms, and one of them replied, and it was a good reply. Told me to call him and to see if we can work together. So what I did, because I'm not in the US, is I got a US phone number. I was researching and I found this company that lets you call for $5 a month and you get a United States phone number. It took me a while. I called him. Unfortunately, he didn't pick up. And then when he called me, I was already asleep because I'm in different time zones. So I will try to reach him today. And I also started building a template or blueprint for the design and the design concepts for each website. I was building each design almost from scratch, and I want to have a template or a couple of templates that I can reuse and that I know that work. So I got a lot of references of good design and each element that could work on a constructor website. I got also a Google Doc with all the Relium components that I found more suitable than I liked the most, and I tried them on a specific design concept in the style guide with some colors, and I was happy to find some really cool ones that I didn't know of, and that was it. And the total work was 8 hours 56, but as I couldn't really fall asleep, I decided that I would go back to work instead of just laying in bed, so it ended up being 11:36. So that was it for today. I will keep you updated. Goodbye.